Large parts of India are sweltering under heatwave conditions which are persisting. In fact, when we talk about Rajasthan, a red alert warning has been issued for the entire state. Also, a red alert warning for heat has been issued for Gujarat. Other areas, whether it's Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, an orange category warning has been sounded off. Even in the hilly areas of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, heatwave conditions are prevailing. When we talk about the national capital, the temperature is 41 degrees. That's just a degree above usual for this time of the year. So, warm night conditions are prevailing at the moment. So, that is going to continue today as well, but the temperature is now going to start to rise. So we are expecting the temperature to touch 42 degrees today, and over the weekend it could touch 45 degrees yet again. No respite in sight till the 27th of this month, where hot and humid conditions are prevailing in central and southern parts of the country. But the hottest part of the country is Barmer, where the temperatures touch 48.8 degrees Celsius. To get more on this, we have my colleague Harsha Kumari Singh joining us. Harsha, year on year, Rajasthan turns out to be the hottest part of the country. Usually it's Sri Ganganagar. This time it's Barmer from 48 degrees yesterday. Now it's touching 48.8 degrees Celsius. What are the kind of measures that the government is taking in order to facilitate the issue at hand, and to ensure that the people are protected from these dreadful heatwave conditions that are prevailing?
Well, yes, absolutely. In fact, there's a red alert for Barmer, and it's not just Barmer, it's also Churu, Pilani, Falodi, that area where there's a red alert. There's an orange alert for the rest of Rajasthan, where temperatures even in Jaipur, for example, were yesterday were about 44 degrees. Barmer, of course, sizzling at 48 degrees. And the border outpost, which is on the Thar desert, is well above 50 degrees. Of course, there's no meteorological observatory there. But, in the BSF, where the BSF is patrolling the Indo-Pak border, the temperatures are very, very high. Now, the government has actually cancelled leave of all paramedical staff, all healthcare personnel. They've cancelled leave of all people in the electricity department and in the water department, so that all these are taken care of. There have been a number of cases of heat stroke which have been reported, and at least 5 people deaths not confirmed due to heat stroke, but they appear to have died due to heat stroke. 2 of them close to the Barmer refinery, where, 2 body of people who were working at the refinery were found dead. They were labor who were working there. And, from Jalore also reports of people getting heat stroke and then being rushed to hospital. 3 deaths have been reported there. In fact, unofficially we're getting about reports of about 9 people dying of heat stroke in Rajasthan. But, since it's not officially confirmed, till the postmortem doesn't happen or till a medical personnel doesn't confirm that, we can't say that they died due to heat stroke, but the symptoms appear to be that of heat stroke. The people have been advised not to go out in the peak time, which is between 12 and 3, because that's when heat stroke can happen. They've also been advised to keep their head covered and be careful of, direct sunlight. Keep yourselves hydrated. But, despite that, there are a lot of people who have to work in fields. They have to go out for their work. So these kind of cases are coming in. But health department across Rajasthan is on alert as far as heat stroke is concerned.